Welcome back to the DIY Designer. I am going to be making shattered glass heels. This is called SUGRU. What's cool about it is it's actually a moldable glue. It starts off almost like Play-Doh and then it will harden up, but somehow it still stays flexible. It absorbs all the shock of every one of your steps, even on concrete. Open up 4 to 6 packets per heel, but only open enough for one heel at a time. Press it together until you have a large piece and lay it on your heel. Use your fingers to smooth it out and then take a butter knife to cut off nice clean edges. Next, take your mosaic tiles and start creating your pattern, laying it in as you go to fill up the entire heel. Use a hammer to cut smaller pieces so you've got the perfect fit. Next, just clean up the mirror tiles and you're done. Come on!
We can break them all to a high.